You can watch YouTube TV on an Android TV box to access live channels, DVR recordings, and on-demand content. Here's how to set it up step by step. Step 1. Connect your Android TV box to your TV via HDMI and power it on. Ensure it's connected to your Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open the Google Play Store on your Android TV box. Use the search function to find YouTube TV. Step 3. Select Install to download the app to your device. Wait for the installation to complete. Step 4. Open the YouTube TV app. You'll see a sign-in screen or an activation code. On a phone or computer, visit tv.youtube.com/start and enter the code if prompted. Step 5. Sign in with the Google account associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Once signed in, your channels, DVR recordings, and on-demand content will load. Step 6. Adjust settings for best performance. Open Settings, go to Video Quality to select Resolution and toggle Autoplay if desired. Step 7. Ensure the app and your Android TV box are updated to the latest version for optimal performance. After setup, you can enjoy YouTube TV just like on a smart TV or streaming device. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.